We will start with Pranipath. Pranipath, Ayan, Priyanshi. Priyanshi, you can unmute yourself. Pranipath. So you all are set for the question answers round, and let us begin with the first question. Who are the two wives of Shantanu? Yes, Pranav.
Satyavati and Ganga.
Satyavati and Ganga for 1.2 Pranav. Satyavati and Ganga. Yes, Priyanshi.
Satyavati and Ganga.
Satyavati and Ganga is the right answer. Yes, Ayansh.
Satyavati and Ganga.
So 1 point goes to Pranav. He has given the answer first. So 1 point to Pranav. Now, Bhishma is the dash son of Shantanu and Ganga. Yes, Ayash, let me complete the statement and then raise hand. I think Pranav, there's a tie between Pranav and Ayansh. Yes, Ayansh?
What is the question?
You have to know the question. Yes, Pranav, you answer the question.
8.
He is the eighth son of Ganga and Shantanu. Bhishma, yes, Bhishma, he was the eighth son. Yes, Priyanshi. Yes, Priyan, he was the eighth son. Very good. Now, next question. Who were the son of Satyavati? The two sons of Satyavati from the Raja Shantanu. Yes, Pranav. Yes, Pranav, you are right. You tell me.
Virga and Chitrangada.
Chitrangada. Okay, Chitrangada and Vichitravirya. Priyanshi, you tell the answer, beta. You were second.
Vichitraveer, Vichitraganda.
Yes, Vichitraveer and Chitraganda. Okay, Chitraganda. Okay, yes, Ayansh.
Vichitraveer and Chitrangada.
Okay, now my question is, the next question is, Ved Vyas. Ved Vyas Rishi, he is the son of dash and dash. Pranav, you raised hand. Yes, Pranav.
Rishi Parashar and Satyavati.
Very good. Rishi Parashar and Satyavati. Yes, Ayansh. Then Priyanshi.
Satyavati.
Satyavati and Priyanshi, you tell me the, yes, you tell me the answers, Priyanshi.
Rishi Pari,
Rishi.
Satyavati.
Yes, and Rishi. Who was the Rishi? What was the name of the Rishi, beta? Priyanshi. Parasar Rishi. Yes, Priyanshi. So Ved Vyas was the son of Parasar Rishi and Satyavati. Now, Vichitraveer is married to dash and dash. Yes, Ayansh. Tell me the answer. Yes, Ayash, I can hear you, but you come closer to the mic and then answer.
Amba and Ambalika. No.
Okay. Pranav, you are second. Give me the answer. Who were the wives
Ambika
of?
and Ambalika. It's Ambika and Ambalika.
And yes, Priyanshi, you tell me the answer.
Amba and Ambalika.
So the right answer is of Pranav. It is Ambika and Ambalika. Beta Amba, she was not married to Vichitraveer. Okay? Ambika and Ambalika, they were the three sisters, but Ambika and Ambalika were married to Vichitraveer. Right? Your Pranav, your answer is correct. You want to say something, Pranav? Yes, Pranav.
Ma'am, they were also known as Kashya, no?
Yes, because they were the daughters of Kashi King. Yes, very good, Pranav. And yes, Priyanshi, you also want to say something, beta? Tell me, Priyanshi. You want to say something?
No.
Yes, Ayash, you want to say something, Ayash, beta? You want to say something? Okay. So this is something important which you should know. And Amba, Ambika, and Ambalika were the three sisters, right? Okay. So this is regarding the family tree. And I have given you one more topic, and in that topic, I have asked that you should know who has narrated Mahabharata. Yes, Ayash, tell me.
Vidur and Vedvyas.
Narrated. Second option will give to Pranav. Yes, Pranav, you raised the hand second. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, narrated Vedvyas. Narrated Vedvyas.
Yes, the Mahabharata was narrated by Ved Vyas. Priyanshi, you are also raising hand. Tell me the answer, beta.
Vedvyas.
Ved Vyas. So the right answer, first right answer was given by Pranav. I'll give you 1 point. And yes, Priyanshi, your answer is absolutely correct. That is narrated by Ved Vyas. Now, as you all know, it is written by Dash. Who has written Mahabharata? Yes, Pranav.
Ganpati ji.
Yes, Priyanshi, you are second.
Isha.
Yes,
Tanisha.
yes, Priyanshi, tell me again.
Ganesha.
Ganesha. Okay, yes, Ayash, you tell me.
Sri Ganeshi.
Yes, Sri Ganesh ji, Ganesha, and the right answer, first right answer was given by Pranav. So the marks goes to Pranav, but all of you have given the right answer. The Mahabharata is written by Lord Ganesha. Very good. Now, do you know that Mahabharata is still there? The original Mahabharata is still, yes, Ayash, I'm coming back to you. You want to ask some doubt? Huh. The original Mahabharata, I'm coming. The original Mahabharata was it is still preserved in one of the research center. What is the name of that research center? Pranav?
Bori.
It's Bori, very important. Bori ka full form. Who will tell me the full form of Bori? Priyanshi? Yes, Priyanshi. आज भी जहाँ महाभारत संस्कृत वाली महाभारत रखी हुई है जिसको प्रिजर्व रखा है. Ayash, you keep the device on the table. Don't play with the device, beta. Yes, Pranav. You tell me the full form.
Ma'am, I know the OR and I, but I don't know B.
Okay, no problem. You tell me ORI.
Oriental Research Institute.
Oriental Research is very good. And what is B, Priyanshi, beta? What is B? Yes, Priyanshi, I cannot hear you. I can hear the background sound, but aapne
I know ORI.
Yes. ORI आपको भी पता है? आप ORI का full form बता दो.
Oriental Research Institute.
Institute. Very good. And B ka full form. Who will tell me the full form of B? Yes, Ayash. Tell me, beta.
Who was the father of Pratibha?
Who was the father of Pratibha? बेटा कौन? Pratibha कहाँ लिखा है बेटू? Pratibha. Let me complete. Bori का पहले एक बार full form बेटा मैं बता दूं. Bori का full form B stands for. Yes बच्चों ये नहीं भूलना. Bori is the research center जहाँ पे हमारी महाभारता ओरिजिनल संस्कृत वाली रखी गई है. And the full form आप सबने मुझे ORI का बताया, Oriental Research Institute, and B stands for Bhandarkar. Yes. So B Bhandarkar Oriental Research Institute. That is Bori. Yes. So here Here in this research center, our Mahabharata is preserved, and they have kept our Mahabharata in that research center. अच्छा, as you have said, अब एक बात बताओ, भीष्म पितामह का पहला नाम क्या था? भीष्म पितामह का असली जो बचपन से उनका नाम, यस आयांश, भीष्म पितामह का पहला नाम राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, बचपन से उनको क्या नाम दिया गया था बच्चे? आयांश, विचित्रवीर was the brother of Bhishma Pitama. Second is Devvrat, Priyanshi and Pranav. I'll give you 1 mark, and Priyanshi, आप दोनों के बीच में टाई है. Priyanshi and Pranav both will get 1 mark. आप दोनों सही बोला. देवव्रत was the original name of भीष्म पितामह. तब देवव्रत जी ने बहुत ही भीषण प्रतिज्ञा ली, तो उसके बाद उनका नाम भीष्म पितामह पड़ा, और उनको सब लोग भीष्म कहने लगे. उन्होंने बहुत ही भीषण प्रतिज्ञा ली थी, बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग. यस प्रणव, आस्क मी द क्वेश्चन.
Which state the Boris and
एक अलग नगरी बनाई. एक्चुअली क्या था, पहले तो दोनों भाई साथ साथ में हस्तिनापुर रहते थे, मगर जब कौरवों और पांडवों अभी क्या उन्होंने क्या किया कि पांडवों को अलग भेज दिया, तो पांडवों ने एक अपनी नई नगरी बनाई, और उस नगरी का नाम उन्होंने इंद्रप्रस्थ दिया. जो बेटा इंद्रप्रस्थ है, आज वो दिल्ली के नाम से फेमस है. दिल्ली
का नाम था.
हाँ, इंद्रप्रस्थ पांडव के जमाने में इंद्रप्रस्थ कहा गया, और वो ही आज हम दिल्ली बोलते हैं. वो आज हमारे इंडिया का कैपिटल बना. तो वो इंद्रप्रस्थ उस समय किसने डेवलप किया था? पांडवों ने डेवलप किया था. अभी वो पांडवों ने डेवलप तो किया, बट प्रॉब्लम वाज कि थोड़ा दिन बाद पूरे ट्रिक्स एंड कॉन्स्पिरेसी से कौरवों ने फिर से वो